mangingawa og best in sportswear, best in talent, and best in casual wear. So, ang atong best in production wear, the nominees are, matawag kayo na ko yung number, come forward number 8. To pin on the sash for the best in sportswear, and we call on Mrs. Dimitria Alardi together with Councilor Lando Migabo to pin on the sash for the best production number. For the best in production number goes to candidate number 1. You've got it right. It's candidate number 1. Candidate number 1, layat diri. Layat. Miss Gretchen Barato. The nominees are candidate number 8, candidate number 7, and candidate number 5. Mrs. Montelia.
Number 5, number 5.
And the winner for the best in talent is goes to candidate number 5. Candidate number 5. Our candidate number 5 is Miss Biuda Di Padua. Together with Mrs. Delfino to pin on the sash for the best in casual wear. The nominees for the best in casual wear. And candidate number 3. The winner for the best in casual wear is no other than candidate number Mr. Soronia and Mrs. Delfino will be the one to pin on the sash. For the best in casual, we have candidate number 1. To make a circle of 5, we have candidate number 3. We have candidate number 1. We have candidate number 5. Number 1 no, nahimo naman karong babae, karong gabi una. So ang akong pangutana, panangitan, nagkuyo karon sa imong boyfriend, imong uyabang, kay babae na karon no. So nagkuyog mong duha. Pag talikod nimo kay personal necessity nangihitingali ka, imong uyab, imong gibilin sa bangko. Karon kay pagbalik nimo ang imong uyab nga lalaki dali ka to pagbayot unsay mo ikapong sa imong uyab nga lalaki.
Ako ang ikatubag. Mapaubos lang di ko. Episode kayo. O atong dapatan mapriso ta. Ako na kayo puyo dito sa sulod sa ginagawa.
Okay, that was candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. na mo ani mga babae ha.